quick video here. That's my son's truck, the one we're putting together. Just got a 290 horse 350 crate motor in it, GM replacement motor, crate motor, whatever, with the turbo 350 behind it. But yeah, it's getting there. As you can see, it's the body off my green truck. And the chassis is a 2000 S10 chassis. Had to move it up front because I'm working on remodeling the garage, rewire it, took a wall out. So, also got the wife's 69 out. Yeah, it's a numbers matching car. So, she finally got where she don't like those anymore. So it's going to get a set of, I don't know how you want to describe them. They're gunmetal gray with a polished lip, like a 6-spoke wheel. Of course, Duramax. A car trailer. And of course, there's the GMC. And then there's my Super Duty. So, we worked on that most of the day. We started out with a frame. Had to change the rear end. I still got tubular A-arms to put on it. Bought some from Speedway. They're for circle track car, but you use 2 left-hand arms, and they work on these S10s. Right now we're working on doing a bunch of work to the garage roof. Got the dump trailer back there, so I got a 16-foot dump trailer. Throw all the roofing and shit off in. But we got quite a bit done to it today. Fired the motor off. Of course, it's just got open shorty headers on it. Got to put the front end, actually bolt it all on. And you get some radiator hoses and a few other small things for it. Get it all running, let him drive it a little bit, and then we're going to repaint it. It's got a leather seat out of a 3rd row seat out of a Tahoe. I think I have a 203 Tahoe. But, yep. So, gotta get rid of that 4-wheel drive shifter and fix the floor and some other stuff. Yes, dear.
Dinner's ready.
Chow time.